finally, we're doing another vlog. We're off to San Diego. It's an hour from our house. It's a beautiful city. And we're excited just to go for one night, but we'll have 2 full days and we're gonna bring you as much as we possibly can in 2 days. On our way on this gloomy day to San Diego. It's very gloomy. Here we go. I see where we are now.
Look at this cactus down here.
Wow. So here we are in Old Town. Everything's closed right now. I think it's like 9 o'clock. It's really beautiful here. We're gonna go hit a restaurant and see what's inside, all the shops and things. Here we go. What a gorgeous tree. So pretty. So I think we're gonna go out on the main street here. The actual city is down there, and there's a really good Mexican restaurant that we love. And we're gonna go see if maybe we can get some breakfast there. And coffee. We haven't had our coffee yet. So this is the pedestrian area where you walk through the Old Town, and this is the street where the restaurants and shops and things are. And over here, you can pay for and catch a trolley that'll take you all around San Diego. So it'll take you to the other areas of San Diego as well, like to SeaWorld and to the Gas Lamp District, which we'll be heading to later. And I don't think the trolley costs very much. I'll update you and let you know how much. Some of these shops and restaurants are so adorable. It really is a lovely, lovely place to walk around. And actually, you only need a couple hours here. You really do. It doesn't take long. Oh, look at the pink trolley. How cute is that? This is the restaurant that's really good. Old Town Mexican Cafe. There's always a wait, and we really want to get to the Gas Lamp District, to our hotel. There's so much to see there, so we're probably not going to wait the hour it takes to eat there, but if you do have an opportunity and the time, it's definitely worth the wait. It's coffee time! So we ended up at Cafe Coyote Cantina, and I ordered huevos rancheros, and my hubby ordered chilaquiles, and we're gonna have breakfast. And boy, this place is hopping. Every restaurant has a wait, but it's beautiful. Chilaquiles and no, huevos rancheros and chilaquiles. They look good. He's got strips of chips. I'm sure it's going to be tasty. Very good. So this Victorian Village at Heritage Park, I just found out that all of the homes that are here were Victorian homes that were all around the city, and they relocated them to this street and they made this little park. Side note, that's the Hacienda Hotel. It's reasonably priced for this area. We stayed there once, and it's a perfect location. Walk to everything. Of course, Old Town is really small. Bonus, at the top they have like a rooftop bar that's called the Old Town Tequila Factory. Is that right, honey? Old Town Tequila Factory. And they have all these different tequilas that you can buy little samples of. Very cool. So the residential section is right here across the street from the historical park, and this is basically just normal people live here and work here, although I tend to think it's really super expensive.
Uh-huh.